my name is Zairra. I'm from the Philippines and I'm currently taking up Masters of Business Administration with University Canada West. University Canada West has many resources to help students. One of my favorite one is the online library to help students like me for research, writing techniques, APA, and plagiarism. University Canada West also offers a lot of online workshops for us, and what I recently attended is the career management program where they guide us and we match our personality and interest so that we will be able to find our career in the future. The quality of MBA program with University Canada West exceeds my expectations. At first, I'm quite hesitant and confused because of the transition from traditional classroom learning to virtual learning. But with the help of our industry experienced professors, they've been encouraging us to ask many questions and to be more interactive and participative in the class, which helps us get the most out of this learning experience. This program has changed me a lot as a person because before I used to rely on my family a lot, but now since I came to Vancouver and with the help of University Canada West, I get to experience living by myself. So I manage myself with my own time and also my money financially. It changes me and it helps me to grow as a person. Now with University Canada West, I'm looking forward to exploring Canada and Vancouver more, meeting a lot of people from diverse cultures, racial